If anyone's keeping track, this is the third attempt at getting a video of these notes, and I'm about to lose my mind. Okay, so I'm just going to walk you through these. I'm not working through them again, but I'll walk you through them. All right, so right here, it tells you that you have a table. You have to use the table, and using the table, answer these questions. All right, so right here, you've got what's the value of f prime of x dx. If it's f prime of x, then you have to go back to f of x. So you're still doing the integral, but if it's f prime, you go back to f of x. So that would be f of 1 minus f of negative 3, because you're going from negative 3 to 1. So you go b minus a. Find the values on the chart, table, whatever, and then just work it out. Here you've got the definite integral from negative 1 to 3 of f prime of x plus f double prime of x dx. So that's going to be the f prime goes back to f double prime goes back to f prime, and you're still going from negative 1 to 3. So you do all of this for b minus all of this for a. And then you just fill in those parts from the table and work it out. Number 3, what's the value of 3 times f double prime of x dx? So that's going to be 3 times f prime of x from 1 to 5. So you've got 3 times f prime of 5 minus 3 times f prime of 1. 3 times 2 minus 3 times 0, you get 6. Number 4, you're going from negative 3 to 3 of 1/2 f prime of x plus 2 f double prime of x dx. So that's going to be 1/2 of f of x plus 2 times f prime of x from negative 3 to 3. So you do all of this right here, do all of that for b minus all of that again for a. So this is the whole thing for b minus the whole thing for a, and then you just fill in from the chart and do the math. Number 5, you need the equation of a tangent line. So you got your pot and your SOT. Point of tangency came off the chart. Slope of the tangent came off the chart. It's right there. And then number 6, you have to approximate. So I just moved this plus 1 to the end, so I could just substitute and work it out. I got about 1.3. Now, if it asks about an over or an under approximation, that's a question about concavity. If you're getting a question about concavity, then you're getting a question about second derivative. So f double prime is negative 3, which is less than 0. Then that means it's concave down, which means it's an over approximation. So work through these, pause as you need to, and we'll talk about this tomorrow at 10:30 along with your homework from today.